Hey guys, this is Akash and you are watching Technology the Killer. So guys, in today's video series, I am going to tell you about that how we can activate our wondershare filmora 9 in free. So before starting this guys, if you are new in my channel and still you have not subscribed it, so first of all subscribe it and hit the bell icon so that you can get the latest update from my YouTube channel. So let's begin it now. So as I am here in our filmora 9, so what you have to do, you have to first go to in the help section. So as you will click on the help section, there will be an option of offline activations. You have to click on here, and as you can see here that I have already activated my software filmora 9, so I have not need to update it now. So these are the licensed email and registration code which is given in the descriptions. You can take from there and you can simply activate your wondershare filmora 9. So let me show you that where is this licensed email and registration code. So there are many licensed email and registration code. You have to take any one of them email and password, and simply you have to put here, and as you will click on the offline activations, and there will be options of licensed email and registration code. You have to paste here, and then simply you will activate your wondershare filmora 9. And one thing you have to keep in your mind that if when you are activating your wondershare filmora 9, so you have to disconnect your system with the internet. So in this way you will simply activate your wondershare filmora 9. So thanks for watching. How was this video? If you like the video, so please thumbs up and do your valuable comments so that I can upload more and more video for you. Thank you.